Oh no! Alright, let me think here. We've got
are there? How many are there altogether?
Gabriel, how many
26. We're halfway there. Oh no, I don't know how many Gabriel has.
We have 6 left. 6 more.
Oh my goodness. How do you know?
Because it's 26.
Because
You've got 20.
the Easter bunny told him.
Told them.
Yeah, the Easter bunny told us. Duh.
Easter bunny's a myth.
You're a myth.
Don't say that around Benji.
He doesn't understand what a myth is.
Are you kidding me?
Don't
He
say
knows
it
what
around
an
this
enigma
baby.
is
It's this baby.
within a conundrum. I think he knows what a myth is.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
What else is in there, buddy? Ah, did you get a whole bunch?
Come on, Benjers,
Did you
let's
get
go.
a whole bunch?
Come on.
Did you get a whole bunch?
Come on, buddy.
Let's go out here. Let's go look out here. I'm sure the Easter bunny hid.
Uh-oh, what's at the end of the driveway? Gabriel, you better get out there. Shake that one. Huh.
Nothing. What's in there?
Oh, it's empty? Maybe you should give that one to Benji.
Oh my goodness! Oh, that's too much. Boy, that Easter bunny was awful generous.
Gabriel, I think that there's... Gabriel, this way. I think you missed some back here. But I think I saw some on the way in.
Is he shaking it? Huh, buddy? Just because it's not rattly doesn't mean it's not a good thing. Hey, you should re-hide that one for Gabriel. Benji's not going to use cash.
Okay.
Actually, hide all. I mean, you know.
Yeah, totally. That's a good idea.
You can just stash them. Yeah, toss it.